hot water tanks. Thermal expansion. Thermal expansion can create extra water in your hot water tank. As the water gets hot, it expands, and this can cause damage to your water heater. Water expands, it can cause leaks. This tank up here stops that. And these are now required on hot water tanks. Discharge lines are needed for similar reasons. Here they go to the outside of the house. Last of all, earthquake straps. The name explains it all. Straps are needed at the top third and the bottom third of the water heater. Those are a few tips on how to get your house to last you a lifetime.